Really from our hearts to you, Nina, sorry, second time around. But so let's start with Ifeanyi. A round of applause. You know now. Thank you. And then Nina. Thank you. There you go. Nina, you should have a collage.
Experience Africa.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, Experience Africa. We're outside RTSS. That's so.
Hey everyone, my name is Wendy Abdul Scott actually, and I am the owner of Wendy Abdul, the brand. I am an ex-beauty queen, a mental health advocate, and I do a lot of things. I'm a content creator as well. So I'm here at Road to Success Seminar because I want to pitch myself for success. I am on a journey to rebranding, to knowing what my brand is going to be all about, and I'm here to learn from mentors as well. So Road to Success Seminar has been going on for the first, second, third, but I missed it, and I was like, this year, I'm not going to miss it. So I'm here, and I'm excited, and I'm so far enjoying all the things that were spoken about, and I think I'm going to go home with a very, very fat, big goodie.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much. My name is Harry. My channel is Experience Africans. As usual, I bring you great and inspiring Africans who are actually doing something amazing to be celebrated. Right now, we're here in UAE on the road to success, and I met this amazing, beautiful lady who has done so much good and has also put her name on the global stage. Please meet.
Hi everyone, my name is Abiodun Sumani. I'm from Nigeria, Lagos, Badagry. I came to Dubai 8 years ago. I work in a salon in Dera. Everyone knows that. I work in Dera. I work with my madam. My madam's shop is Confidence Ladies Salon in Dera. Everybody knows that. During my working with my madam, it was not easy. It was very difficult, but thank God for everything. I made it today. And today, I'm a salon owner in Dubai. My shop is in Dera, Dubai, Street 46, Amura. I make braids, I fix hair, I do frontal, and so on and so on. Anything you want concerning hair, just contact me on Instagram at Abiodun Sumani and at Senami Salon.
Okay, so what would you say has been the most difficult part of you being in UAE?
Oh, that was when I was working with my madam. It was not easy because during that period, there is no off. I need to work for a whole day, and I was paid with little money.
Wow. So what inspired you to start up your own salon?
Back home in Nigeria, I'm the type that likes to make hair. Even my family, everyone make hair. My mom is a stylist, me, my sister, my younger ones. So coming to Dubai, I got a job. I work in the salon as well. So it really motivates me. Even during my time working with my madam, I have a lot of customers. People like me. Even when I stopped, people started calling me. They want to make hair. In fact, I can't control it anymore. So I started my own business.
So, setting up a business. People say it's difficult to set up a business here in UAE. How were you able to set up a business?
It was not easy, yes. It was not easy, but if you have your own project, like if you have it in mind that you can do it, definitely you can get there. Actually, it was not easy, but if you have it in mind, you want to do it, you can do it.
Through the years, a lot of women here in UAE, they actually come here, they want to work for someone, they never think of inspiring themselves to start up something of their own. How would you say it has been managing other people working for you?
Yeah, I love that question. Before you can get your own, you have to work with someone. You can't just start in a day, no. Working with my madam is just like a stepping stone. It's what motivates me to get mine. But if you know where you're going to, you have to pass through all the pains to get there. There is no any successful people without pain.
All right. So to motivate other young ladies who are out here in UAE, what would you say to a young lady who is coming? We know that so many people are brought in here for different reasons. Some are not told what they are coming here to do, and they get here and it's difficult. What is your advice to young African women? Because the image we have and we should protect, it's our image as Africans. What would you say to these young women who are coming in?
Everything is determination, risk, and what you have it in mind. If you have determination and you have that in mind, that anything you are going to, you can risk it. If you can risk it, you will get there.
Wow.
You have to have that in your mind. So for me to risk it, I work with my madam without no off. I pass through a lot of things. I don't need to talk about that. But you have to pass through something before you get it. You can't just come to UAE and say, okay, I want to own a salon in Dubai. You want to own a salon in Dubai. How many people do you know? How many numbers do you have? You just have to have that in your head. So working with someone is what will lead you to get there. Because if you work with someone, from there you have contacts, you will know more people before you have your own business.
Wow. So, what is the greatest achievement that you have done since you started your business?
The greatest achievements I've achieved, it was when Beyoncé came to Dubai. Yeah, it was when Beyoncé came to Dubai, so I was entitled to style their hair and I was paid cool cash.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, from being a worker in a salon, today you have styled Beyoncé. So every dream is achievable if you work hard.
You can contact me on Instagram at Abiodun Sumani. That's my Instagram. You can also contact me on Sumani Salon. That's my 2 Instagram handle. Thank you.
Now I know how to position myself and also my brand as well. Sell yourself, as they say. So yeah, that's all about me. So please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My business page is Wendy Abdul Official and my personal page is Wendy Abdul _ I made this. This is my design. Yes, I make bespoke, I make ready-to-wears, I make made-to-fit design and every other design. I also have a resort line as well, something you can rock at the beach and all of that. My brand is a sophisticated feminine brand that deals with all body shapes and type. So yeah, do follow me on our Instagram, my brand Instagram at Wendy Abdul Official, and I'll see you guys. Thank you.
This has been a really amazing interview. Her journey is inspiring. If you don't know her, Abiodun is here in UAE, and from being a staff as a salon, she now owns her own salon. Your dreams can also be achieved. Just believe in yourself, focus, work hard, and eventually, one day, you will be the owner of your own brand. The way you treat someone's own will be the way other workers will treat yours. Until I see you on another video, my name's remain Harry Tigansa Jingina for Experienced Africans. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.